Hey everyone, in this video we're going to go over how to set up an outro video for your Touchpix 360 videos. Alright, so I have a training event set up here, and the video that I want to use for this test event is going to be this one here. This is one that I made in After Effects. It's a pretty simple little text effect. It's about 5 seconds. And so one thing to note when you're using an outro video is you want them to be the same exact size as your overlay template. So to make sure that you have the right size, we're going to go into the designer. All right, now that we're in the designer section, just make sure that you're on the correct setting or the correct event. This is the event that we have main. And I'm going to go to templates, and for this video here I made it using the slow-mo overlay 4 dimensions. If you're not sure what those dimensions are, you can go to uploads, hover over the question mark, and you can see the dimensions here for the pixels. So if you're making these animations yourself or you have someone else making them, just make sure they're using these exact dimensions or your video is going to get cut off or just not look right. Alright, so now that we have the correct template, I'm going to go to add template. Okay, so now the template's added, and so now what we're going to do is go back to your event. Alright, so we're back into the event that we just started off from. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Touchpix on the app and click on activate. And then we're going to choose test because we just want to test this. Okay, so it's going to have me scan. So now it's downloading. And then we just want to click on understood that this is a test, that the videos won't get saved. All right, so now that we got that, we're going to go into settings, and then we're going to go to video effects. So now in video effects, if you already have a video in here, or if you have an effect, you can delete it. I already have one in here from testing it. So now if you want to add it, just go to post roll, and then if you have the video saved in your gallery, there's different ways of saving the video onto your iPhone. If you're using a MacBook or an iMac, you can just airdrop it to your phone from your iMac, or you can email it to yourself and then just download it onto your phone. So now I have it saved in the files, so I have it here in the downloads, and now it's added. All right, so now I can go back, click understood, and then we can test it now. So we'll go ahead and do a test. Just got a video of my keyboard. I'll just move it around for demonstration. All right, so now it's going to add in the rest of the stuff and the outro video. We'll just wait for that to process. All right, looks like it's done processing, and let's check out the demo. So it's doing the little slow-mo boomerang effect, and then it should play the outro video after it's done with this. And there you have your outro video, and it's all set up just like how we had it displayed onto the computer. And now we can go to next, and you're all set for your event. Okay, if you want to get out of this test, you can just click on exit test event, and we're all set for your outro video. Hope you found this video helpful, and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.